Another important thing about Dropbox, you cannot share a folder within a folder. So like you have your home folder. So like let's take a client, Jane. Jane's folder, I can share the whole folder with Jane and with vendors or whatnot. Now there's things inside of Jane's folder. I'm going to show you guys real time. Okay, so inside of this folder, there's things that I want to share, right? So if I need to share something catering with somebody, so you click on the file, you do 2 fingers, and then you hit copy Dropbox link, and then I could go over to an email, hit command new, I'm a shortcut queen, type who it's going to, command V, which is paste. And like that's just how to do it really quickly. You can email it from there, but that's a new feature, and like my brain, I don't know, this is just quicker for me. Like, that's not important to retrain my brain for it. There's all these updates. Like, somebody in my class last time, they're like, oh, you can just email it straight from there. See right here? You can go down here and hit share and go to mail. And then it pops. Like, for me, it's just too many steps, you know? So it's like, if it takes 2 or 3 clicks, like, I'm not going to do it. I want what's fast. So there's a lot of stuff that goes into Dropbox. And if you're not using it, you're not ready for it yet, just, like, set up the basics. Get the folders set up, get your naming system down pat, and if you need further help or run into trouble, ping me. Let me know. Any more stuff about Dropbox? And again, make sure you have the app. Anything that you set up on your computer on the back end, it's all going to pull down. So when a client's like, hey, Angela, can you look over this catering quote because my RSVPs went down 120 and like what should I take off? Like, you know, so I'm on the go and I'm like, well, let me look real quick. Here's the quote. And so then I will do this and sometimes I'll open it in an app called Good Notes, which now the updated feature, you don't have to do that. And now I can record my screen on here. You swipe up, and then you can record right here. 3, 2, 1. And then I'll text the caterer or email the caterer. I'll be like, hey, there's 150 here and 150 here. Like, let's change that 250 to this. And then down here in the notes, you've got, like, lemon water for $100. That's $200. Like, screw the lemon water. We don't need that. And then, like, I'll swipe up, quit recording, and then email screen recording saved to photos. And then I send it over. So it's like I'm not like emailing, typing, like there's so many shortcuts and it changes constantly. That's why you've got to keep yourself updated. But just get started with the simple stuff and then you can move up and like go into master classes and, you know, things like that. Everybody feels good about it? To at least get started with the folder.
Yes.
Okay.